Hey, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to do Arctic Monkeys, Do I Want to Know? It's just a riff. Here we go. It's like this. All right, the riff, I'll break it down into, I think, about 4 parts. Here we go. First one, which is D, F, B flat, G. And again, we're trying to recreate a guitar, so I'll do it in unison, octaves of the same. Again, D, F, B flat, G. Part 2, which is F, G, B flat, F, E flat. Watch again. Beginning. Okay, that was part 2. Part 3 is this riff. So again, part 3. Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. Part 3 again is, sorry. Here's part 3. So it's and the last part, part 4, which is B flat, B flat, C, D, D, G. Very slowly. Part 3, let me go back to. It's on that, that's the beginning of part 2. Here's part 3. D, C, B. It's actually B flat. And part 4. Okay, one time. All right, go back, as always, rewind, and look back over the parts and play them as you need. Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for supporting Newschoolpiano. Appreciate it very much. This one goes out to Josie. It was for her song. Thanks.